After all, he is the student of SMB English. In just 3 days, 108k 108k views in just 3 days on Instagram, and his name is Mr. Rahul. I am the speaker, I'm with you, but I will be always there with you. I mean, okay, alright. Come.
I won't do this thing without you.
Okay, alright. Yeah, please. Share some ideas about how did you do it, because even everybody wants to understand. In just 3 days, 108k views. It is huge. Is it huge?
Yes, sir.
It's huge, seriously. 1,08,000 right views 3 दिन में. एक लाइन उस गाने का जरा बताओ कि आखिर उस गाने में क्या दर्द था जिसकी वजह से ये हो पाया. Right? Yeah, please. First start the song, and after that
You know, my one video is getting views, a lot of views I can say, and it is a big achievement for me and for us also. Do you know one thing? When I got 100k views, I said to sir, and sir shared that video in every group. Sir said me, and now on that video, 108k views has completed. So that song was I sing on 15th of August. So I will repeat that song, which line is going viral. रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई, जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवाल, माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई, जग से हारा नहीं मैं, खुद से हारा हूँ माँ, एक दिन चमकूंगा लेकिन तेरा सितारा हूँ माँ, माई रे तेरे बिन मैं तो अधूरा रहा, माई रे मुझसे ही रूठी मेरी परछाई, तेरा ख्याल माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई.
So this small cake for you, and you have to just cut it. Alright. So who is coming with us? Anybody wants to join? अकेला मुझे भी आज hesitation हो रहा है. Right? Okay. I see wait. I see a great celebrity in him. Okay, in coming days, and if everyone sitting here.
I want to say one thing.
Yeah, please.
One more video has started getting views, and on that video, 15.4k views has.
What's that video?
Odesh Mere.
Oh wow!
And that video also recorded in SNB.
Oh wow! That's great. Okay. Somehow his success is going to be connected with SMB. I am out of frame.
No, sir.
Okay, alright. Come.
I won't do this thing without you.
Okay, alright. Yeah, please. Clap! Huge clapping! Yes! That's great! Beautiful! Okay. First, I think I have to give you. So this cake has to be given to everyone. छोटा सा. ठीक है, सबको जाना चाहिए, because right.
5 minutes later.
For this beautiful achievement, we want our public reaction. They are not public, by the way. They are Rahul's friends. Okay. So, what are you feeling? I want to know that. Can you please tell me your feeling today? Because he has achieved, okay, 101k views in just 3 days, and you were there in that, video, right? And fortunately, the video is of SMB English. So, what's your feeling? Please stand up and reply.
It is great feeling for us. He is means his video is viral by SMB English, and this is good news for us that one boy is viral from this batch, and he's not only my friend, he's my also brother. And I always say that don't don't means I mean to say that
Okay, all right. She's getting emotional about it because of his achievement. Okay, and actually, it's a big achievement. It's not easy. Okay, to get views on Instagram, by the way, right? And that too in good words. I'm talking about if you do something good. Okay, that is very tough to get views. Okay, and if you do something bad, views are very easy, right? So it's a very great feat and great achievement for Mr. Rahul and for us as well. So can you please stand up? What's your feeling today? Tell me.
Oh, sir, first of all, it was great feeling for us because Rahul's video has very fast viral because of her tone, and her voice is very excellent, and so that's all.
Thank you very much. Okay, next I want to just have some feeling of yours. Mr. Bittu, you stand up. What do you feel about it?
It's a great feeling because Rahul is my friend. I'm very excited. He grow and up after some time. So
Right. You do you have a feeling that, and do you have faith that he will grow in some times?
yeah,
What is your guts feeling about it?
mm, I feel just grow.
He will grow.
Yeah.
All right. Sit down, please. Yeah, Mr. Summer, you stand up. What is your guts feeling?
I think that we have a student who is getting viral nowadays. His talent is getting the views what he deserves, and I hope that for tomorrow means for his future, that his future will be bright in in this platform.
All right. Yeah, stand up from this side. Yeah, Mr. Nitish, you please stand up. You very happy today, right? Okay, why are you happy today?
Because I take cakes.
You had cake. लूसी तो बदनाम है, असली में तो ये सब है, राइट? राइट ना? Okay. You tell me, what do you think? And what do you feel about it?
Actually, I'm feeling very glad to see his performance because he got I know he got 1.8
108.
108k. So it's very big achievement for us
In
because
just 3 days.
yeah, in just 3 days it's not easy for everyone because nowadays you know that if you want to express your I mean to say, message, so you have only one that is one you have only one platform, that is social media. And now he's expressing himself very fastly in Instagram. And now he will grow very fast, and I hope we wish for Rahul that he will achieve his goals in his life, and we will always support him.
Thank you. Thank you. Very beautiful, statement. Okay. Rahul is a sensation on Instagram. Okay, in coming days. Okay, and you have to know one more thing. Being SMBians, you should be very happy because one more, student is sitting in your class. Okay, who is hero on Instagram. And his name is Mr. Gaurav. Where is Gaurav? Please stand up. उस वक्त he was I mean last year joined SMB English last year, but in just 15 days he left. Okay, because he had a lot of problems and issues, you can say. But I like one thing in him. That day he said that sir, I want to work on Instagram. Okay, and I want to dedicate myself on Instagram. That day he said, right? And even I was thinking it is not easy, but he has done it and he is continue growing, right? And he has a great bond with his team. And can you please name your teammates?
Only for Chris and Gaurav.
Chris and you living together?
Yeah.
You are relatives to each other, or you just friends?
I'm just friend.
कैसे मतलब इन आप दोनों से बॉन्डेशन हुआ?
लाइक एक फाइट से शूट था फिल्म, शॉर्ट्स फिल्म का, उसी दौरान हम लोग।
ओके, तो यू वेरी फोकस्ड। आपने घर भी अपना, घर में भी नहीं रहते आप, यहाँ रेंट पे लेकर के रहते हैं, घर हालांकि पास में ही है, राइट ना? तो मतलब इतना बड़ा सेक्रीफाइस कैसे कर पाए आप?
एक होता ना करने का जुनून किसी चीज़ का,
राइट।
हाँ, तो ऐसा लगा कि मुझे बस इस चीज़ को करना, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, बट करना।
तो वो फायर कहाँ से लाया आपने? बिकॉज करना एवरीबडी वांट्स टू गेट, राइट, बट इट्स वेरी टफ टू कंटिन्यू। करना हर कोई चाहता है, बट कंटिन्यू करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। स्टार्ट इज इजी, कई बार स्टार्ट कर लोगे आप, बट यू वोंट बी एबल टू कंटिन्यू। या व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से? कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाते आप, क्यों? क्या मैसेज आप दूसरों के लिए? हिंदी में नो प्रॉब्लम।
क्या बोले सर?
दूसरों के लिए क्या मैसेज है, क्योंकि आप कंटिन्यू कैसे कर पाए? ये आसान नहीं था।
फोकस इज फर्स्ट, मतलब अपने काम के प्रति श्रद्धा चाहिए सर, इसके लिए।
ठीक है, तो आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाह रहे हो, क्यों? क्योंकि तो आपका तो काम चल ही रहा है, आपने काम कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए,
यस सर।
और राहुल also said that for any acting, for any presentations, okay, you need confidence, and confidence तब आता है जब इंग्लिश आ जाता है। ऐसा मतलब हमारे यहाँ तो खास करके ऐसा होता ही है, राइट ना, कि अगर इंग्लिश आ गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली कॉन्फिडेंस आ ही जाता है। तो क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो?
वो बोलता ना कि किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो सफलता जरूर मिलती है।
और शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग जो है, जब है ना, जब तुम किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहते हो, पूरी कायनात आपको उससे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है, राइट, समथिंग लाइक इट। तो ये शिद्दत से चाहने का जो शिद्दत कहाँ से आया? ये में कोई ड्राइव होगा, कोई तो कुछ तो बात होगा कि आपको ये
अचीव माई आइडेंटिटी।
ओके, यू वांट टू आइडेंटिटी, अगर यू वांट टू सी योरसेल्फ समवेयर, राइट। नाम, थोड़ा सा शोहरत चाहिए यार। शोहरत का नशा जो होता है ना, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा नशा होता है, राइट। नेम, फेम, इज्जत, सम्मान, यू वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर दैट, राइट। ओके, बिहार के लोग तो खास करके सरकारी नौकरी के लिए भागते हैं, आप इधर कहाँ फंस गए?
नो इंटरेस्ट
सर, बिकॉज हम लोग को ये जिंदगी का बिजनेस लाइक सरकारी नौकरी, घर से जॉब,
फ्रीडम, अपने मन से कुछ कर सके।
राइट,
यस सर।
ओके। चैलेंजेस आते हैं?
यस सर।
कैसे हैंडल करते हो चैलेंज? तो बोलते होंगे कि यार बेकार है, कैसा कर रहे हो एक्टिंग?
ना सर,
कोई चैलेंज आप कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
बिकॉज सर एकदम शांत रहे, कोई जरूरी नहीं किसी का कौन बोल रहा है,
रिएक्ट नहीं कर,
क्या बोल रहा है उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
ग्रेट मैसेज, डोंट रिएक्ट। इफ challenges comes, don't react, okay? It's very very important, okay? Thank you very much for your selection of SMB English. आपके सहारे शायद हम ही सक्सेस हो जाए। थैंक यू वेरी मच, कीप डूइंग, okay, best of luck for your future. Thanks a lot, you're gonna have this, okay? Now some more people, okay? Mr. Saqib, stand up. What do you think today, okay, because some small success, okay, have started pouring on us? What do you think about it?
Yeah, now we are getting viral, and now my brother Rahul is going viral in Insta. He has got 108k views on his on his page. And one thing that he shared with me, that one of the celebrity got tag in the story. He said that it's a great achievement done by him. So I think it's fabulous that we are getting name and fame in this industry.
Wow, very great. Yes, it's nice, good. I'm telling you, social media platform अगर अच्छे से यूज हुआ तो you can create history. You understand? You can create history. Saad, stand up. What are you feeling today? Sometimes we are negative. हम भी कई बार नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल, ओके। आई फील कितना अच्छा कर रहे हैं, आई एम डूइंग माई 100%, आई एम गिविंग माई 100%। समटाइम्स 12 बजे तक, 1 बजे तक एडिटिंग करना पड़ता है, जग करके दोनों को, फिर भी वी गेट वेरी लेस व्यूज़। तो इस चीज़ से जब हमें क्या सीख मिलता है? व्हाट इज़ द लेसन वी शुड लर्न?
Actually, first of all, it's very huge achievement for him, because crossing 100k views without any resources, and in that video, if you see that video, then you will find that there are a lot of drawbacks, like the quality of that video is not so good, but still he got 100k views, means 1 lakh views, and 1 lakh people viewed. So it's a very, means, a very good achievement for him. And even he connects with SMB English, like when you will see his comment box, then you will find that he has pinned SMB English. If you want to see full video, then it's available on SMB English. So it's very good foundation, because he's trying to featured SMB English in every achievement. So it's very good thing for him, and may he always grow, because I think that he knows very, means, well about the algorithm of Instagram. So it's very good thing. And I guess in coming means 2 or 3 months, he can achieve more big things.
I think 1 million. If we work together, Hamesha sharing the videos, 1 million is achievable, right? Because now this video has got that, name and fame. The last question with that, okay, what I say asked you earlier, that what should we learn from him?
Actually, we should learn that his dedication towards means singing, like he's very, means, dedicated to sing songs. Even he got some family tragedies, then when he got when he got criticism by the people, but still he sings. Like many people, I won't name that, but he got criticism, all people got criticism, but still he means still he is very focused, like a laser beam on his goal, like I will sing, and may he become a good singer, and may he go to Indian Idol soon. So that's the thing. And we should learn from him that if you're going to do any work, you need to be dedicated. Like in Instagram, there are many cringy people who uploads cringy stuff, who upload non-education video, but still he goes viral, and he is on the peak. But if you are uploading a educational and a good video, then if it gets means a huge number of views, then it's a masterpiece, and it's unbelievable achievement for you. So in singing, he is the best. And we should learn, if you're doing anything, you need to be dedicated towards it. You will face criticism, problems, but you need to face that, and because it's the part of life. So we should learn from this, that we should be continue to our work.
Right. That's great. Okay. Okay. So great suggestion. Okay, from Mr. Saad. Okay. One thing I just want to speak here, that is, okay, don't let any criticism go into your heart, okay, and don't let any appreciation go into your head. Please understand, किसी भी appreciation को सर पे चढ़ने मत देना, किसी भी criticism को दिल में मत लेना. Right? Success is yours. Right? Success is yours. Just be in the battlefield. हार और जीत मैदान में तय होगा. Right? Don't leave the battleground. Anybody else who wants to add his ideas, his points? Okay. Yeah, Mr. Shadab, please. Sorry, Galib, stand up, please.
So, it was a great feeling for us. Rahul has a great tone, voice, and pitch, and I wanna say that go confidently in the direction of your dreams, and just go with the flow. Whatever happens. It is not a Kacha Badam song. It is a patriotic song, and on the patriotic song, he just crosses 100k views in just 3 days.
Oh yeah.
So it is a big achievement, and now I think he's a viral boy of Begusarai.
Yes, I'm telling you, अभी मीडिया का कैच नहीं आया, right? But obviously you will get that catch, okay? Media catch. I'm telling you, in coming days, just we have to work together for him, okay? And one thing I just want to tell you, कि criticism तो डरते हो ना आप लोग, कि लोग criticize कर दिया, लोगों ने क्या कह दिया, लोगों ने क्या बोल दिया. हाँ.
I feel
Yeah.
when I started this thing on Instagram, some people was talking about my face and facial expressions. That time I was feeling.
वो टेंशन मत लो. You are standing in SMB English, yeah.
That time I was feeling कि yeah, he's right or she is right. That time I was feeling bad, but still my father said कि don't think about this thing and just ignore that thing.
Right. That's great, okay. रही बात नेगेटिव कमेंट्स का, वीडियो में इसके वीडियो मैंने एक नेगेटिव कमेंट पढ़ा. एक लड़का लिखता है कि ये आज मदर्स डे तो है नहीं, तो ये कौन सा गाना गा रहे हो, राइट। तो इसने जवाब दिया, धरती भी माँ ही होती है बेटा, राइट, मतलब अच्छे से जवाब दिया। ऑलवेज रिप्लाई very gently to any criticizer, okay, so that other people are reading your comments.
One people also talking about my face, but that time Nadeem, he replied a very good thing.
So we are with you, don't worry, we are with you, we will work together, right। तो हमारे कभी वीडियो में एक बंदा कमेंट लिखा कि सर ये प्रोनाउन पे तो फोकस कीजिए, नो रिप्लाई, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं किया हमने। एक लड़की ने वीडियो डाला उस पे शॉर्ट्स, तो उसने बोला कि ये हेल्थ की बात करे, अपना हेल्थ तो देखे। हाँ, इट विल हैपन, ये होगा, राइट। फिर उसी वक्त अच्छा तब लगता है जो मानू की प्रोफेसर हमारा सब्सक्राइबर बन जाती है और कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखती है, सर आई एम योर न्यू सब्सक्राइबर, आई एम दी प्रोफेसर ऑफ मानू यूनिवर्सिटी, ओके, फ्रॉम हैदराबाद। तो ये उस क्रिटिसिज्म से बहुत बड़ा है, राइट। एक लड़की यूपी की जब ये लिखती है, सर आई वॉन्ट ऑनलाइन क्लासेज ओनली फ्रॉम यू बिकॉज यू आर द बेस्ट टीचर इन इंडिया, आई वॉच योर वीडियोज, प्लीज स्टार्ट ऑनलाइन क्लासेज। दिस इज बिग स्टेटमेंट, right। When I go somewhere in any college, okay, when I find that respect, you are the teacher of SMB English, yes, I watched your video, that time I get success, right। So understand, criticism and appreciations are the part of life, clear? Yes. Thank you very much. Anyone else want to add his point or her point? Yeah, please.
I think that it's a great achievement for him, not for him but for us, because talent is just coming over by this platform, and a talent is coming over to the eye of the world, and it's a great achievement for us that our platform is getting more recognition and all the things.
Right. Thank you very much. From this side, anybody else who wants to add his points? Okay. Yeah, please. Yeah. Be fast, please.
So I'm feeling that you asked from me that what's your feeling about this achievement. That I want to answer that I'm feeling very proud where we get a teacher who sculpt our personality and make our personality bold and perfect, and where we also get a student who are becoming famous, who are being viral in the any platform. And one more thing that I want to share with you about the Rahul, that he's going viral, and he just keep it up and keep doing like this. So
okay, and they shared the beautiful feelings for Mr. Rahul. And lastly, I want to say, you will achieve what you want to achieve, Mr. Rahul. Just keep it up. Thank you very much. Clap for this beautiful session.